Ever seen those professional videos where the speaker sits to one side and their presentation slides sit right on the other? It feels so much more human than a full-screen slide, almost like someone is actually talking to you instead of just reading a lecture. But recording that content is only the first step, and the real challenge is making sure that long video actually lives on as a stream of snackable clips. Stick with me because I am going to show you a faster, less painful way to turn those long recordings into a consistent stream of social media content using Vizard. First, let's talk about what those split-screen videos are actually called, since they blew up during the pandemic when everyone went remote. This side-by-side layout is perfect for webinars, tutorials, product walkthroughs, or literally any kind of explainer content you can imagine. But let's be real. If you are a creator or a marketer, you don't just want one long-form video that sits gathering dust. You want dozens of short, punchy clips to post across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and LinkedIn without spending your entire weekend trapped in an editing timeline. That is exactly where Vizard comes in, acting like a smart teammate that watches your long video and turns it into ready-to-post clips. I am going to walk you through a simple flow, starting with recording your raw footage using Zoom, OBS, or even a browser-based tool. Once you upload your raw file to Vizard, the AI starts doing the heavy lifting by scanning your video for the best possible moments. You can get into Vizard for free to try it out, and you will see an upload button front and center where you can drag and drop your webinar or interview. Grab a coffee while your video processes, because Vizard's engine doesn't just make random cuts, it looks for strong hooks, surprising facts, and natural punchlines. It even clusters similar moments together so you can choose the vibe you want, whether it is educational content, funny highlights, or product tips. Each clip is already trimmed, captioned, and formatted for vertical platforms by default, which saves you an incredible amount of manual labor. But if you prefer a specific side-by-side look, you can easily switch layouts to make sure your slides and your face are positioned exactly how you like. You might want a full-screen face cam for a quick reaction, but then switch back to a side-by-side layout for a detailed technical walkthrough. Editing is surprisingly chill, as you can jump into a compact suite to change the crop, swap positions, or even add a zoom in on your face for emphasis. If your original slides happen to have small text, you can simply choose a layout that prioritizes the screen so your viewers can actually read what is being shown. Vizard also handles those awkward silences and filler words like ums automatically, but you still keep full manual control if you want to make tweaks. The captions are editable and highly accurate, which is essential because most people watch these clips on their phones with the sound turned off. Beyond just editing, Vizard also auto-generates titles and short descriptions for each clip, saving you even more time when batching your social content. Now, the real game changer is the auto-scheduling feature, which lets you set a posting frequency like 1 clip a day or 3 clips a week. Instead of exporting dozens of files and manually uploading them everywhere, Vizard queues them and schedules them automatically across your social channels. You can review the exact publish times, reorder your posts, or pause the queue if you decide you need to make last-minute changes to your strategy. The content calendar view ties everything together, allowing you to see all your upcoming posts in one place rather than having scattered drafts in various folders. While there are other tools out there, like Descript for deep multi-track work or simple browser recorders, Vizard wins for pure speed and automation. Other AI tools might chop out context or pick boring parts, but Vizard surfaces the best moments while giving you fast controls to refine them. Consider this workflow example. You host a 45-minute product webinar and upload the recording to Vizard to get your batch of clips. The AI suggests 25 clips ranging from short hooks for reels to demo highlights for shorts, and you can polish them in just 20 minutes. When you are happy with everything, you can either export them to hand off to a social manager or let Vizard post them directly for you. If you want to share a single clip with a colleague for review, just copy the link and drop it into Slack or email for instant feedback. Whether you are a teacher, a podcaster, or a marketer, this workflow keeps your social channels full without you burning out from constant editing. You get to keep that professional side-by-side vibe when it matters, but you stop spending your life babysitting a video timeline. If you are curious, sign up for Vizard, upload an episode, and just let the AI give you a first pass to see what is possible. Tweak a few clips, hit schedule, and watch how much more manageable your entire content production process becomes overnight. If you liked this walkthrough, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more tips on turning long-form video into viral clips, make sure you subscribe. I will share more workflows like this in the next one, so thanks for watching and catch you later.